Hey guys, hubby and I made a table a couple months ago and I just finished painting it. If you want to see how it turned out, stick around. Hey guys, this is a table that hubby and I made a few months ago for the mud room, and I brought it up to my filming room just to paint. I'll be using some chalk paint, the Rust-Oleum chalk paint that I absolutely love. I'll take you along and let you see what we decide to do with this. So stay tuned. So I turned the table upside down. I think this is going to make it a little easier to paint. So I'll do this, and I'm going to use my new brush. I'm just going to knock this out quickly. I love this brush. This is really doing it. I got this brush from Target. I may have mentioned that before. I'm not really sure. Magnolia Home. I think it was like 17 bucks. But I'm just going to knock this out. Wow. This is really going on well with this brush. I love it. This is going on so nicely. Yeah. Can't believe this. I can't tell you how smoothly this is going on with this brush. This is really making a difference. I am going to knock this out in no time. I can see that. All right, I'm going to finish this underside and the legs, and then I'll come back on when it's This is one coat, and I think I got great coverage. This is one coat of the underside of the table, and I'm only going to do one coat on the underside. I think this is the first time, I have to say, in using this paint that I've got such great coverage with one coat. I don't know if it's coming across, but I'll brighten this a little bit, but I am quite happy with this one coat. So I'm going to turn it upside down. I have the fan on here, so letting it dry a little bit. I'm going to turn it upside down and touch up any spots. And when I look at this, I am tempted now to just stain the top, but too late for that. I'm just going to go through and paint it. Definitely going to need 2 coats on the top. I can see that. We have I have putty that I need to cover up, pencil markings from us measuring and what. And here's the reveal of the table in the mud room. I just put it in the mud room and placed a picture of flowers there. And this is where I'm going to keep it for now. Thinking about making this area my mail station. So stay tuned for that when I upload a mudroom mail station. Thanks guys, and have an awesome, awesome day.